Okay, so I'm working on the beast today, and the reason why is because this headliner has pissed me off for the last goddamn time. It used to look nice up until a couple years ago, and now this year finally it's I just took it to a car show, and this car is not my show princess by any means. And I was like, geez, I really need to do something with this headliner. So that's what I'm doing. I did disconnect the battery just because, I mean, there is a light right here and you never know what you get into. Maybe I'll be sitting here with the doors open or whatever, but all right, so hang with me. I'm going to be redoing all this to make it a little bit more gooder than what it is right now. All right, so I'm going to try to make this a quick video. And if you follow my channel, you know I got a big fat mouth. And that's not always very possible for me to make quick videos. So I'm going to start by removing this dome light assembly here. Okay. Okay, so I removed it. I took the bulb out. It has these, it did use these speed nuts, which I figured, which is pretty common throughout GM. My Corvette has those all over the goddamn place too. And so you can see where I disconnect the wiring, and then, sorry, let me zoom out here. So that's removed, and yeah, so let's keep tearing into it. Okay, so next I'm going to remove these visors, which is pretty straightforward. Mine look pretty nasty, but so I'm going to take these visors out, and then we'll check right back. And before I forget, here's a good look at the before. I meant to do that before I started taking that light out and the dome light and all that good stuff. But yeah, so it's pretty nasty. The car's, well, it's dirty right now, but it's got a new dash in it and everything else. But this headliner is just killing me. It's something needs done. And let's look at the other side. I mean, this is pretty bad. I'm just trying to capture the highlighted moments here of taking this out. There we go. Getting there, we're getting there. Put this back in so I don't lose anything. All right, that's good. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. All right, so
well, I thought it'd be easier to come in this way.
Out here grilling, and I'm just gonna have a little drinky poo while we wait for the video to start back up. Okay.
One thing about my I have a 78 Corvette, and I like all the plastic and not the felt.
All right.
Like shit.
Is the video ready? Let's go.
Need to redo all this anyway. Yeah. There we go. See if the camera can show where we're at. Okay, oops. I don't have a lot of working room, so. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this without just showing the back of my hand, but something else that's there. Okay, square myself. I'm gonna start loosening up some of this stuff because that's still back there. Actually, take that all the way out. Yeah, just leave that. Okay. Yeah, let's keep going. Okay, now let me spin the camera around.
And yes, I do realize I still have the seat belt to deal with. Okay. That. Maybe I could have forced it out of there, but all right. My hands are getting full. Let me set the camera down. Okay, so I do have it loosened enough to start snapping out of place, and you can see the slip for the seat belt, but look how fucking nasty that is. God damn it, son, that is fucking nasty. I'm gonna try to be very careful because my car is already a mess, but this will definitely fuck things up for me. So I'm gonna try to be very careful. Let me get the other side like this, and then I'm just lifting it out carefully. So just real quick, I wanted to show why I'm trying to be careful. And I wanted to show, because I think I mentioned it, but I don't know if I really did show it, but let's see if I can show it right through there. Where I cut the liner so that the seatbelt can slip out. And anyway, I'm ready to take this out and hopefully not make a god-awful mess. I'll see, you know what? I'll see if my wife can record, just in case if I do, it might be funny. It'll definitely give my critics something to talk about at least. All right, so I'm gonna try to remove this without creating a big poopy mess. This might be a comical moment, I don't know. I'm gonna try to come straight back out with it without fucking shit up. I realized I didn't get this seat belt out of the way. I didn't get the other seat belt out of the way either. Okay, so now all right. Hey, minimal mess. All right, good. All right, so there's the old headliner. Ouch. And I got the new headliner right over here. Oh wait, that's not the new headliner. Oh, I'm gonna rework the old headliner. That's what we're doing. All right, so I just wanted to show what I've got so far. I think I'm going to make the video stop right here, just the removal processes, because I'm going to rework the headliner, and I'm going to be redoing a lot of stuff on the interior of this Camaro. So I got a lot of cool videos coming up. So this video I think will just be tearing the old shit out.